Okay, we're now going to look at importing file formats from other 3D modeling products. The one that we're going to look at is the IGES file format, IGES. And if you go to your Insert tab here, you'll see that we have an import panel where we can import an IGES or a step file. We're going to look at an IGES formatted file. Now, if I do an Alt-Tab here, and look in this folder, you'll see I have a WDrum IGES file, just there. And what I'm going to do with that IGES file is import it into Autocad itself. So I click on IGES, there's the WDrum file there, and I click on Open. And there it is, there's my IGES file. Now if I go to my View tab here on the ribbon, and go into my Orbit here, click on Constrained, and I'm going to do a constrained orbit. Now that actually gives me a funny little icon there, and you'll notice my X, Y and Z have gone into 3D modeling format with the colours. If I click and hold and drag, I can drag around and actually look at that drum. And as you can see, it's what looks like a washing machine drum. That's where you load your washing just there, and it goes in and the machine actually works here. Now, it's actually in 3D wireframe at the moment. If I right click and go to Visual Styles, I can show a 3D hidden view. That takes away the hidden detail, and as you can see, as I move around now, it actually removes the hidden detail as I do my constrained orbit around the drawing, like so. If I right click again and go to Visual Styles and do something like Realistic, you'll see there that I now get a full realistic view with all the faces, and as you can see, all the edges displayed. One of the more funkier views is the conceptual view. If I right click and go Visual Style and go Conceptual, and then click and drag, you can see that looks quite cool, especially with the colours as well, with the shading and so on. So what I've got there is an IGES file been brought into Autocad. I can actually just right click and exit that now, and what I'll do is I'll actually save that file out, and what we'll do is we'll look at outputting an IGES file from an Autocad 3D drawing.